Hey bosses, it's Nina, and today we're going to be talking all about how to find the right hashtags for your Instagram. So I'm going to be using Tailwind for this. Stay with me as we go step by step to help you find the right hashtags using these Instagram tips and tricks. Now, before we get started, I do want to remind you to go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I do have two other videos that I've already come out with one video on Instagram tips and tricks. It's Instagram Scheduler. I'll leave the link below, and that is actually a full tutorial on Tailwind and how to auto post and find hashtags and schedule. It's really a cool app, and I love it. And so this is part 2, and it's how to find your hashtags with Tailwind, and then I'll also include a part 3 on my video. I will be posting videos 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. It's all about the different software, tools, techniques, and strategies you need for digital marketing. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add my Instagram account. So over here, it does tell you about the new features that you can automatically post on Instagram using their tool. I'll do a separate video on that if you all want me to. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want that video. Otherwise, let's go ahead and add the Instagram account. And our goal is to really look at how to find hashtags on Instagram. So let's go ahead and add the account here. Your account's going to pop up. I'm going to click on authorize. If you don't get this screen, you'll probably get a screen to log in to your Instagram account. And since I have a business account, I need to connect it via Facebook. You can make changes to what you allow. I'm just going to leave the basic settings and keep it moving. Okay, so it's talking about auto scheduling. I'm not going to worry about that yet. One of the things that I am going to do is install the extension for scheduling posts right now. That way I can add things as I need to Tailwind, and that just makes it a lot easier. Again, I'll create a separate video if that's something that you want me to go over. Okay, thank you for all the tips, Tailwind, but I do not want to go through this right now. Okay, now that we're all set up, what you're going to want to do is upload your images and start posting. So I'm just going to upload a simple image just for a test for this, and I'm going to click on upload images, and I'll pick my YouTube thumbnails, which is a video I put on YouTube about how to create YouTube thumbnails. All right, so as soon as I start, it gives me some options. That's our option to auto post. I can actually add my location. Okay, so I've zoomed in a little bit, and so here I've added my location. I can set it to auto post. I love that at the bottom, it's already given me hashtags based on recent hashtags that I've used. So one of my hashtags, small biz, is actually a good one. Now, if I hover over, I can see exactly how many posts there are. Now, while small biz is a great hashtag to use, it also had 2 million people using it. I like to keep mine around 100,000, 300,000, or maybe even 50,000 because I have a greater chance of my images being seen using those hashtags. So I have no idea what this is, so I would probably go look at that hashtag. But for now, we'll just go ahead and put that in there. Now, the more that you add, the more suggestions it's going to give you. You can actually remove items that you've used as well, right? I love creative entrepreneur. Here's to creatives, solopreneurs. So these are all great ones that I love. But again, remember to kind of hover over to see how many followers there are. You do want a few that are smaller numbers like 50,000, 60,000, 100,000. Now, if you have hashtags that you use frequently, you can actually create your own hashtag list. So I can call this my Socially Nina list. I like to put in Socially Nina. I like to put in pink boss club and learned it online, right? So I can save those hashtags. And next time I want to actually use those hashtags, I can click here and notice it already added those in with me. Okay. Keep in mind that you have your specific kind of color codes at the bottom. I would just continue going through these and picking posts that, or excuse me, hashtags that make sense to you. All right. What I do like also is that you can actually amplify it, what they call amplifier, and you can actually put it on your boards as well. I don't really want to post this right now because this video hasn't been released, but I can actually add it to my queue on my right-hand side. For those of you that are new to Tailwind, it gives you these cues that you can actually set the time. You can shuffle your posts. So as you add a bunch of these posts, you can shuffle them so they can go throughout the day or different days, which I love. So if I have one topic and I'm uploading all of my images, I can actually shuffle them. And so I've been using another application to post on Instagram automatically, but it breaks consistently. So I'm actually switching over to Tailwind since I like them for Pinterest. I'm going to use this for both. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this for now and cancel it. And I do want to show you a couple of other features. So I actually could have shown you this with the image that was posting, but on your right-hand side, I can actually see my 9-grid preview. So all of the posts that I've already done, I can see them. And then as I add my new images, I can see kind of how they're going to lay out. This is great when you're publishing automatically, but you want to see how it's going to show up on your Instagram to see if it needs to match or if it will match. You can also create posts directly from this area. So you have a lot of freedom as far as creating and uploading images and creating your posts. So if you would like additional tips and tricks on Instagram, let me know, or even on Tailwind. I'll be creating a lot more videos. I'm going to try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday going forward, crossing my fingers. But these are just some features that I wanted you to know about. And so make sure you use my link below. I do get a small percentage if you click on my link below. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a great day. Hey, Nina here again. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. You got something out of it. If you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos on the side. I don't know if it's going to be on the right or the left, or just click one of the boxes somewhere over here. Okay? Peace.